Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can temporarily deactivate our Instagram account. So for that, open up your Instagram account, and after that click on the three lines on top right corner, then click on settings, and here you will see this option of help. Just click on it. Then you will see this option of help center, then click on it, and after that again click on the three lines on top right corner, then click on manage your account, and then click on this option of delete your account. And here you will see this option of temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Just click on it, and you will find three ways to do it: by using your computer, by using your mobile browser if you are on Android, and you can directly do it if you are on iPhone. So it is quite easy for iPhone. So just go to your settings and your account, and then you will be able to find the delete option on your iPhone in Instagram app. But if you are on Android, then you will not be able to find this option on your Instagram app. And for this option to appear on your Android device, you need to open it up using browser. So after opening up your browser and then logging into your Instagram, you will be able to find this option in your settings by clicking on edit profile. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.